2 volts battery is easier. I felt technology of the electronics industry helps hobby. It is grateful. Circuit of the lighting is implemented in the 17 centimeters body. Enamel copper cable is mainly used in the circuit because enamel cable is very thin, which does not avoid the capacity of its flexible joints. You can see the cable in the back, the shoulder, and the hand. You can see the cable in the back, the shoulder, and the hand. Intensity of lighting seems sufficient in the rocket nozzle. However, lighting of the saber seems lack in the intensity. By the way, the saber is made from polystyrene tube provided by Gunpla. Some kind of detailing are added the legs, which came from my idea of real metal machine. This work is digging a hole compared to making flexible joints for me. Thanks for your attention. Please enjoy another video regarding flexible vintage Gunpla.